So I had a buddy call me this morning and say, hey Zach, you know how you buy stupid stuff? Which I agree, I buy stupid stuff. 69 Firebird in Pennsylvania, 72 Toyota in Winnipeg. Anyway, it's nonetheless, if you're a guy and you like vehicles, you buy stupid things far, far away from you. And today is no different, but on the bright side, it's not me. So one of my friends bought a school bus. That's right, he bought a school bus. He wants to turn it into a hauler, so he wants to basically put a flat deck on the back and living quarters on the front with tools and all that. It's a great idea, super cool. I've seen it done before. They are fantastic, slow, heavy on fuel, but basically it's an RV that is everything that you want right there. So I don't really blame him for buying something stupid, but he bought something stupid. So he called me and said, hey, Zach, what are you doing today? I said, oh, I'm just working on my trailer and some derby cars. He's like, you want to drive 5.5 hours away to buy a school bus that's got no brakes and drive it home? I was like, of course. So I stopped working on derby cars in my trailer. I loaded all my brake flaring kit, an impact gun, some wrenches, a light, because let's face it, it's about 10:45 and we have to drive 5.5 hours one way and pick up a school bus that hasn't moved in quite some time and drive it 5.5 hours back. And he says we'll be home by 9. It's not going to happen. His math is horrible. I'm thinking we're going to make it home around 2 a.m. But anyway, we're going to go for an adventure. We're going to go pick up a school bus. But yeah, here we go. We're just getting loaded up to go on our adventure. So what do I need? I need a wallet, cell phone charger, and then I need a battery to charge my cell phone because God knows I'm going to play on my cell phone a lot today. Now, the wind's kind of getting a little loud, but he's over there taking a water pump off of another Cummins, just in case the water pump fails on this thing. If we got to do a water pump on the side of the road, this is going to suck. Tensioner, water pump, tools, and a guy that bought a school bus. Anything else we need to rob off this? You want to take a hose, a coolant hose or anything? Nah? You want to take the turbo? Want to take the tires? What about the steering box? Let's just take the whole truck with us. So here we are driving.
Ooh, Samurai.
Nice Samurai. Some ATVs. Anyway, we're here driving and we should have left earlier because we're going to get there and it's going to be about, what, 5? And basically all the parts stores are going to be closed. And one of the tires is off the bead, and it's got no brakes.
And it hasn't moved in 2 years.
And it hasn't really moved in 2 years. So we've brought an air compressor, a hammer, socket sets, a water pump, booster cables,
Nuts and bolts.
some nuts and bolts.
Couple nuts.
Anyway, we have pretty much nothing. And we're going to see how this goes. It's going to be a long night. He told me we'd be home by what? 9?
Oh. Yeah, right.
He lied.
If everything goes exactly perfect, 10 o'clock.
If everything goes exactly perfect,
Literally get
midnight.
there, hand the money, hop in the fucking bus and go. But we already got to put the tire on.
I think we're going to be home
like
at
an hour.
I think we're going to be home
We
at
got
2
lots
a.m.
of ether and a lighter for that.
Oh yeah, we got lots of ether. We need to mount the tire with ether. This is going to turn into one heck of a road trip, roadkill road trip, right?
Yeah.
So far, we've almost been ran off the road by an RV. We almost hit a bird. That was pretty interesting. And
Almost got fucking smoked by that.
yeah, that fuel truck right there almost rear-ended us. That was pretty interesting. I legitimately screamed because I thought we were going to get smoked. But no, so far so good. We haven't died. Roy's doing okay back there.
Doing great.
Mr. Sandbag himself over here.
We Still got 3 hours, 250K to go.
250K to go. I've already eaten a slice of pizza and 2 bags of ketchup Doritos, so we're pretty much out of food.
I gotta piss.
And I gotta go to the bathroom too. We'll keep you guys updated though.
Show you that video of us.
We're already out of food.
So this truck is so uncomfortable. We're stopped at construction and we're all out stretching our legs.
Truck.
Stretching our legs, trying to make it so we're not asleep.
Fucking thing splits and get it going.
Hey, look at him. Look how cute he is. Hey, hey, oh, look at all the puppies. I love the puppies. Oh. But there's the bus. Let's keep playing with this puppy for a bit more.
This is the bus. We didn't want it.
So, the bus was a bust. That's right, the bus was a bust. We are leaving it behind. A 5-hour drive here, and we're leaving it behind. Now, we probably could have taken it home, but the brake situation on it was going to be quite scary, and we just didn't really want to risk it. So we left it behind. We're going to make our journey home and see what else we can find. But so far, this is going to probably be a pretty boring video, baby, but maybe we'll find something else on the way home.
Hey, I found another bus.
You found another bus?
Yeah, city bus.
How close?
Markham.
Fuck, that's 100% the wrong way. Oh my.
That thing's been sitting for fucking years.
That is 100% the wrong way, Jesse. Oh. Well, let's see what else we can find to try to make this an interesting video, because so far it's been a pretty interesting day. Well, we stopped in a rest stop in Algonquin Park on the way home. We all have to go to the bathroom. We've probably drank about 15 energy drinks between the 3 of us and 5 or 6 bottles of water. But when is the last time you guys seen a phone booth? It has been quite some time since I've seen a phone booth. Out of service. Out of service. Well, that's about par for the course for all these things. It's been so long since I've been inside one of these phone booths, that's for sure. Let's go to the bathroom and get back on the road. It's really nice here. I might have to bring the wife up through Algonquin Park. So we completely gave up on the school bus idea, and we bought a caravan, but it's not mine. It's Roy's. So we got ourselves a Dodge Caravan instead of a school bus. Are you okay with that, Jesse? So we drove about 1,000 kilometers today and ended up with a caravan that was less than 20K away from our house. Oh, we still have to drive from Tottenham to Amherst, up to Flesherton, and then home. So I still probably have another 2 hours before I'm home, and it's already midnight. So one of those days, one of those nights. Oh well, let's get this thing home. Well, we're almost home. We just left the house now from my buddy Jesse's place. And we got about a 40-minute drive home now, and it is 12:49 in the morning. Oh, God. All these red lights are windmills. But thanks everybody for watching. It's been a long day. I think I left the house at 9 a.m. this morning to go on this adventure. The bus was a bust, but it was still a fun trip with some friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow.